Today we unboxed the Z1 full-length downpipes with race caps. The factory Nissan Z has two-piece downpipes with two catalytic converters. So these will really free up airflow, and they are a pretty good priced option on the market. Unfortunately, this one has a cracked weld in two places, so these will be going back, but Z1 is, doing the right thing like they always have and sending me out a new set as soon as they receive these. So we're still sticking with these because, again, the alternatives are double in price, and everything else about them is great quality, and they're going to perform just as well as any of the other options. Just a little bit of a setback.